Here's what our toy app looks like. There's this giant glass which when clicked should record a drink, but right now it does nothing except this toast message. This app is also supposed to be sending notifications to drink every 15 minutes, but that's not implemented yet either. Down here is where it should display a count for how many times you've been notified to drink. You'll be adding all of that functionality throughout this lesson. The code is pretty straightforward. There are two classes, main activity and preference utilities. Let's take a look at main activity first. The main activity's onCreate method sets up the initial count values and registers the onShared preference change listener. This listener is then unregistered in the onDestroy method. This is important because for our app, share preferences is where the two major pieces of data are stored: how many drinks the user has taken and how many times the user has been notified to drink. Whenever the value of those share preferences change, the listener calls the appropriate update method, either update water count or update charging reminder count. Both of those methods grab the appropriate value from share preferences and then modify the text shown on screen. Notice that the update charging reminder count method uses the pluralization feature to generate the string. I've linked some information about this in the notes below. The final method is increment water. This is called when the giant water glass is pressed. Currently, it just shows this toast message. The other class we have is this preference utilities class. It's simply full of static utility methods meant for updating and getting the water and reminder count from shared preferences. Now that you know a little bit more about the code, check it out yourself and answer the questions.